Hi viewers, this is Smart Academy. We are giving problems on physics concepts. Today I am discussing a problem on light chapter. So this problem is regarding to about the concept of refractive index of a medium. So before going to solution, please subscribe my channel Smart Academy. So we have one question here. See, we have one question here. A monochromatic light passes through a glass slab. The refractive index of glass slab, that is mu equal to 4 by 3 of thickness 60 centimeter in time t1. If it takes a time t2 to travel the same distance through water, the value of t2 minus t1 is. So here, let's compare this one. A monochromatic light passes through a glass slab. This is one glass slab. Pass it in the glass slab. So the time taken to travel in this glass slab, that is T1. The refractive index of glass slab, that is equal to mu equal to 1.5. Here so take it as 3 by 2. Then if the same light, if it takes a time t2 to travel the same distance through water, so take this water. So the same light passes through water. Here the time taken T2, the refractive index of water, that is 4 by 3. So what we have to find here, T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. We have to find the value of T2 minus T1, that is difference of T2 and T1. So I am moving for solution here. So we know that mu equal to C by V, C by D by T, C T by D. So this is refractive index and the distance of medium, the time and constant C. So here what we have to find, T2 minus D. D is constant, C is constant. That's why mu2 minus mu1, C into T2 minus T1 by D. These two are constant. T2 minus T1 equal to mu2 minus mu1 into D by C. See here mu2 minus mu1. Mu2 take 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 into D by C. C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Already we have, that is thickness of the slab, that is equal to 60 centimeter. So just convert into meter, 60 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Just substitute here. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 into 60 into 10 power minus 2 by 3 into 10 power 8. Take LCM here, 6, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. So we are getting negative signs here, 2 4 ja, 3 2 ja. Then 3 1 ja, 320. 20 into 10 power minus 8, 10 power, sorry, 10 power minus 2 minus 8 minus 1 by 6, 20 into 10 power minus 10. So this is T2 minus T1. So here we got negative signs. For that negative signs, no problem here. The time difference of time t2 minus t1 equal to 6 1 just 6 3, almost 3 into 10 power minus 10 seconds. So actually in this problem what we did is we taken two mediums. One is glass slab, one is water. The refractive index of water is 4/3. The refractive index of glass slab 1.5. The distance travel in these two mediums is same. So just we have to find the difference of time travels, that is t2 minus t1. So this is the formula. So we substituted numericals, we got the value. So numerical is not that much important. The concept, how do we solve that one? We substituted, numericals will get. But entrance point of view, numerical value is very important. Before the numerical value, the concept of how we are solving the question, how much information we got from the question, how much information we are taking from the question is important. Then we substituted, we will get some numerical value here. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.